Hi everyone, it's Robin. Tonight for dinner, I made a sheet pan recipe called Crispy Ramen with Cabbage and Bacon. It's from the new book called HOTSHEET, and I'll show you how to make it. It's delicious.
Take a half a head of green cabbage, 1 carrot, fresh ginger cut into matchsticks, 6 green onions, 4 slices of bacon, 3 tablespoons of olive oil and salt and pepper, and you give that a good mix. Now stay tuned, watch the entire video everyone. This is a winning recipe. Even though the production quality of my videos is not professional, this is a winner. So give that a good mix and pop it in the oven. If you have thinly sliced bacon, that would work better to crisp up the bacon, but I'm using thick because that's what we had. Use what you have, folks. So pop it in the oven for 20 minutes to get going. In the meantime, you want to make a sauce with sesame oil, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. That blends really well with all the flavors and it doesn't overpower it at all. Take fresh ramen noodles, those are delicious. Those only took a couple minutes to make, by the way, and then add them to the vegetables when the vegetables are done and give them a good mix after you put the sauce on. The hardest part of the recipe is mixing the vegetables and the noodles together. So after a while, I just got in there with my hands. And it looked like that. Wonderful. I was kind of doubting the recipe for a second here because it wasn't looking like your most fabulous dinner. But however, look at those crispy bits there. Those are delicious. And I'm going to give that a stir, mix it up the best that I can. You know, you come to a point when you're making a recipe that you start to doubt yourself. And sometimes it is a fail, but this is a winner. As I started to mix this, I realized there's still a lot of soft parts in here, and still that bacon needs to crisp up. So I want to give it a good mix and then fish out some of that bacon and more vegetables, kind of mix everything up. And I definitely want to pop it back in the oven. The oven is still at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, by the way. My husband has creeped into the kitchen by now. You can smell the aroma. It's delicious. It all worked out. The bacon got crispy enough for us. And I plated it up, or I put it in a bowl for myself, and I topped mine with furikake. That's delicious. My husband topped his with stewed peaches. Loving it. Smells good. Winning recipe. Give it a try, you guys. It's absolutely phenomenal. We're going to be making this recipe on repeat. Thanks so much for watching. And thanks for supporting my channel. It means a lot to me. Have a great day.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. This is James T. We got him on New Year's Day. He's getting so big. Have a great day, everyone.